Good afternoon. My name's Daniel Leonard, and I'm the IFAS Calhoun County Horticulture Extension Agent. Welcome back to Gardening in the Panhandle Live. After taking December and January off, our Panhandle Horticulture team has returned to answer all your burning lawn, landscape, and gardening questions that you might have in 2023. To tell you more about what we've got in store, here's our Zoom Tech Extraordinaire Bay County Horticulture Agent, Julie McConnell. Julie, what you got for us?
So we're going to start off in February with small-scale vegetable gardening. Then we'll move into protecting pollinators with our No Mow March campaign, followed by home citrus in April and managing pests in May. And Beth will go ahead and tell you what we're doing in the summer and the fall.
So we're going to continue in the late summer with one on wrangling weeds. So everyone's going to have wonderful questions about what's growing in their yard and landscape, and we'll be able to help you with that. We're going to follow up in September and with my favorite topic, herbs and cool season vegetables. The good thing about Gardening in the Panhandle Live is you get to input your own question for the panel to discuss, so you can get the answer to what you want to know throughout the entire year. So look for that link below to find out the full schedule, and we'll see you online in 2023.